G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. One's got a nice little bright face on it, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted. I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, I've zoomed in just to give you an idea. It's got a little bar fire along the edge there. Cut it back down, make a nice pendant I think. It's nice and thick, so if you wanted to just drill a hole through, you could do that. Second piece has got a red fire along the top here. There's the colour there you can see in the screen. And over this side, double-sided. You're going to have to try to cut that through to get 2 stones, which I think it'd be thick enough to do that. And I can see a little bit on the end there, but I think that's just literally on the end. I don't think it's a seam. Can't see it going through. But that's what you're going to do there anyway, is cut it with a saw here probably. Probably just at that angle, and then you can see where to put the blade. Red on that side. This is a better stone on this side. And the last piece is it's got some colour, little colour bar going through here. But with something like this, quite often better just to cut it in half, shape it and make it into a pendant the way it is. Just a patterned piece of boulder. Stone should polish alright, it's reasonably hard. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.